Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Alternatives like platform beds, wood foundations, and adjustable beds are longer lasting than box springs. So even though box springs used to be considered a practical and functional part of your bed's setup, they have become largely outdated. There's better options to choose from now, the 24th of March 2017.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Box springs act as support systems for your bed. They should be replaced every 8 to 10 years on average, which is slightly longer than the recommended 8-year lifespan of mattresses. However, major defects like sagging or broken slats mean it's time to buy a new foundation sooner.
Let's help you make your mark.
Most mattresses can be used without a frame. A memory foam mattress on floor, latex mattress on floor, box spring, hybrid, and air foam, can all be used comfortably on the floor. However, hard-side waterbeds require a pedestal and frame so unsuitable for direct floor contact. 22 July 2020.
Make your mark, take our lead.
The layer of coils in the box spring promotes airflow. The springs add give to your mattress and absorb your body weight. Box springs are a popular choice complementing innerspring mattresses because the layer of coils in the mattress aligns with the coils in the box spring, making your mattress softer. 15 February 2021.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Unless your bed frame still uses slats for support, you do not need a box spring, according to orders. Box springs were first invented to help absorb shock since mattresses themselves were so much thinner back then. Nowadays, all box springs really do is just raise the profile of your bed. 29 June 2015.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.